Good afternoon, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, we are putting up our greenhouse, finally. Our greenhouse was relatively inexpensive. It was about $50. We got it from Ocean State Job Lot, and it's nothing special, but it does the job. I'll put the link below so you can check it out. Man, so we just got this thing all set up. Took a little bit longer than expected, but we did not keep the directions. Probably a good idea to keep the directions. I think we have a few extra metal pieces, but it works. It's up, secure. Just make sure with these light units that you put some weight on the bottom racks to hold the whole thing down. Let's get this thing loaded up with the veggie. Everything that we have going right now is in. We have the first starts right there. We just transplanted all these today. And then we also started our second round of seedlings. So it should be good. Really looking forward to it. We still need to do some work on the garden before we get these things in the ground. Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop down below, hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications so you're updated every time we upload new content.